Hello and welcome. Today we are going to download the Visual Studio Code. So go to your browser and type in Visual Studio Code and search. So the first option you see, you have to open that. So you can start the download from two positions low. One is at the top of your search bar, and second one is in the center of the screen. So depending on your machine, you can either choose Mac OS or Windows or Linux. So I am running on a Windows, so I will download it for Windows.64, and then this is downloaded. So open this from the folder. So now run this as an administrator. So you can start running it by normally, but since I chose run as an administrator, so it is giving me some message. So don't worry about it, just press OK, and this will take you to the user agreement screen, and just accept it, and then choose the directory where you want to install the Visual Studio Code. Press next and choose the start menu folder, then choose to create a desktop icon and choose next. So that's all. The program will start installing. Just wait for it to finish, and that's all. So our process is finished. So just as I press done, my Visual Studio Code will open. That's it.